Off. Hi, Kirk. Look at you. Oh, what'd you get into? Off. Good girl. No. Sit. Good girl. No. Good job. I'm not letting muddy dogs in my living room. Off. Good girl. What'd you get into, Kirk? Nasty rain. Bathe him, and he'll look like this again in an hour. Hey, Kirk. Look at Mommy. Hi. Are you jealous, Zena? I love you too. I love you too. Spock's the only smart one. Nice and clean. Good girl. Good job, Zena. But you're muddy. Hi, handsome. Say hello. Sit, Zena. Sit. Good boy, Kirk. Thank you. Thank you. You guys want treats? Want a treat? Zena, want a bite?